Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I am Rhonda. It says so right here, in case I forget. Then I can look at it backwards in the mirror and try to figure it out. But I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'd really appreciate it. Today, I have my Boxycharm Premium. Better late than never. I can't wait to see what I got. My friends have already gotten theirs, and they have been so kind not to spoil anything for me, which I really appreciate because I love being surprised. I've even forgotten what I chose for my items for premium from last month. And it looks like this on the inside. Express yourself. Like Madonna said, express yourself. Ooh, there's a palette. Oh my goodness, what is in here? There's a bunch of stuff in here. Paper thrown to the side dramatically for your entertainment value. Premium is like $39 a month and 99 cents, I think. It is not a cheap box, but it's usually pretty daggone good. So the first thing I see here is Shadow Moon Reusable Shadow Shield. Oh, I can totally use this. This would be great. A shadow shield, how freaking clever is that? And it is a silicone reusable shadow shield for fast and flawless eye makeup application. It catches eyeshadow fallout and creates a straight edge for shy shadow. Winged eyeliner for a perfect application. It doubles as an under eye cooler to help soothe puffy morning eyes. Cool in their fridge or freezer to depuff your under eye area. It's designed with a grip so no adhesive is needed. $15. Let's take a look. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. All right, this is pretty cool. It's just a silicone wedge. It's very thin. Oh, it's not gonna just stay there. But when I put eyeshadow on, I can just do this. I caught it with my boobs. Very cool. Next up is the palette. And I've only used the Lorac palette once before. So I'm excited about this. And this is the Lorac Pro Palette Artist Edition Meraki. Not Mercari. I sell things on Mercari, but Meraki. From the time Lorac was founded in 1995, the brand has approached makeup artistry with the concept of Meraki in mind, doing things with soul, creativity, love, and devotion. The first ever Artist Edition palette was curated with a selection of 25 Lorac's most loved shades by artists around the world, 25 shades from neutral browns to glistening golds and soft mauves that blended effortlessly onto the lid without creasing. $45. Oh, I usually keep track of how much everything costs. Let's get the calculator out. 15 plus 4 to 5. Let's take a look at what we can see here. Ooh, it's very heavy. It's got nice weight to it. And very small pans, but that doesn't matter because it's not like I'll ever use all these eyeshadows up in my lifetime because I've got so many palettes. But look at that. That's really pretty. I'll have to try it and see how I like the quality. And this has the names of all the shadows on it. But to be honest, I hate it when they do this because I'm never going to hold this up and go, oh, that's cream, that's sand, that's canvas, because I throw these away. So I will try that out in a video very soon to give you my opinion. Well, I can't get that back in the box, so I'll just stack it. All right, so that's cool. Next I have a cream blush from Dominique Cosmetics Silk Tone Cream Blush. Give your cheeks and lips a pinch of color. Irresistibly silky, this weightless, buildable cream blush formula blends over the skin effortlessly and lasts all day long. Bonus, it contains hyaluronic acid. $22. I'm not much of a cream blush person, so I'm sure I can find somebody that will give this a good home. But it's very beautiful packaging, and it's a very nice color. It's kind of a coral pink, and I don't usually wear corals, but that's really pretty. And this is called Soft Pink. Very nice. Then we have from Sandbar Beauty Shadow Light Eyeshadow Primer. I don't use eyeshadow primer, I use concealer. But this seems nice. A sheer and creamy intensifying eyeshadow base that adds staying power and full pigment richness to your eyeshadow, resulting in high definition, crease defying, and color and long lasting wear. $28. Let's see if I can't open this without ripping it to shreds. That would be nice for a change, wouldn't it? Why, yes, Rhonda. It would be nice to not destroy something today. All right, it's got a little crack in it. I wonder if it's dried out. But that's it. I'm not going to open it because I will be giving that to somebody. And I'm sure they'll like it very, very much. Next up, from Patrick Ta. I've been looking forward to hearing, I've heard really good things about this. And this is the Patrick Ta Major Volume Mascara, an intensely black, ultra dramatic mascara. Custom double cut brush combs through and loads your lashes for the ultimate volume lift and definition. $29. It's $1 cheaper than Pat McGrath. But I heard good things about it, so I will put it in my eyeshadow collection to use. Very nice. I'm putting it right there in my eyeshadow right away. So the next time my mascara, next time I put mascara on, I will give it a go. And then last but not least, the most valuable thing in this box is from Glow Recipe, Plump Hyaluronic Serum. I don't need it necessarily my blush, but a serum is great. And this is concentrated formula is your go-to serum for plumping, radiant skin. This silky water gel serum features a unique blend of 3 types of plum, hyaluronic acid, and vegan collagen. The formula contains 5 weights of hyaluronic acid to target different layers of the skin for deep hydration. $42. Let's take a gander at it. It's sealed. Ugh. Be careful with those scissors, Rhonda. You don't want to go blind. Let's see. And this is just gorgeous. This is beautiful. And I'm not going to use it just yet because I have so many serums open right now. But this is just beautiful packaging. And, oh, it's got a little divot like a plum. Aw, I wish I could find some plums in season. I would love to be noshing on some plums. But that is great. And you can't ever go wrong with Glow Recipe. All their stuff is just fantastic. All right, so we've got the Plum Plump, the Cream Blush, the Shadow Shield, the Lorac Pro Palette, and the mascara from Patrick Ta. So the value of this box is $181, which is not bad for a $39 value. And that is it. That's the end. I hope you've enjoyed yourself watching my late unboxing, but like I said, better late than never. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.